Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. A very special. And guys, I thank God for the gift of life. And today it's a bright morning. So I'm trying to shoot these videos on Sunday, guys. Morning time. Wherever you are, may God bless you. If you are coming from church, just relax and watching my videos until the end. And drop the thoughts or the sweet comment on these videos. And let me know what you think about today's videos. But for me, are very special, and I thank God, man, to be alive, to see an amazing day like this. So every day you have some amazing work to be done, or some activities. Every day we wake up in the morning, find this you're supposed to do anytime. And I see from the far end people are coming with timber for the church. So that is it. It's good to help the church, but around our village here, like 300 meters apart from the villa, we have the church called SDA, Adventist Service. So they just working on roofing and all stuff. So today's videos, we're going to clean the fish pond, and then after that, maybe I'm visit to Gitriban. So first thing, let me pay a visit to Gitriba's land, and then I'll come back. It's a kind of inspiration as a young YouTuber. Like for me, I was inspired by many people. So I'm just over here and see how the beauty of the compound looks like. This villa in 2024. So over here we flow with the vibe. So let me show you how people over there, that is my motorbike, and I'm heading this way. So to be honest, I will maybe to be pay a visit again at my brother's or Gitirba's land. I was been there for the several time, but because of time, I didn't shoot videos there. And today, I feel like I wanna shoot videos there when the owner of the land will be there. So to ask maybe some few questions, and we flow with the vibe. If you don't know Gitriba, is the rider to Amaros. So just over there, the bike, and everything's look fantastic here. You see people are passing over there, so they are coming with timber, guys. So keep it locked. More amazing videos coming from here. And today, that is my outfit, man. I love soft life, so I don't like maybe to wear a heavy shirt. I don't like, man. Simple way, soft life all the time. So this is my outfits of today. Even down here, look, on Sunday outfit, guys. So let's move. Well, guys, so finally I'm outside. It's around 11:20 a.m. That's my local time. In my village here, I supposed to run with time and to see what is going on. Time. The white people said time is money, and that is it. Time is money. So we work with the time here. So no time wasted. It never covered. See this. There's my brother working there. Vou introduzir a mano raça. Vou introduzir a mano raça. Oh. So guys, there's my brother working over there, and I'll come to clean outside here of the fish pond. So we outside, we full outside. So me and Mr. Gake, we just working over here. So let me go to Getiribas land and then I'll come back. So let me open this gate over here. Wow. So today I feel like I could move out of the villa, going to my friend's land, then I'll come back to clean the fish pond right now. So this is how our lands look like. Everything's green. Right, so let me close the gate for security purposes, you know what I mean? Oh, wow. So let's go. And in case you made these videos and you haven't subscribed, please guys, subscribe to my channel. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And I can chase my dream outside over here. Wow, look. So soon I'll come back to villa, cleaning the fish pond. As you can see, Mr. Gake, they try to remove some leaves. Wow, look how the maize are doing. Super amazing. Look at these stones here. They are staying here. Maybe you can paint for the car like the American flag or USA flag or UK flag for attracting the views of this place here, you know. Wow. Like for me, when my time reached, I could brought huge stones and then painting with colors, different flags from abroad to attract my compound. At the same time, I plant more flowers on my compound. Wow. So this is how our village looks like. Super amazing. You have avocado trees, you have mango trees. So let me show you. Over here we have avocado trees. Look, there's avocado over there. Oh. And this is mango trees here. Imagine, nothing changed in our village here. Maybe rather than improvements. Wow. So, let me rub I'm rubbing the camera. Wow, guys. So that being said, this land here, if you want to have a land here, it's on under sale. You can build here Airbnb. People can rent here, doing their own things. It's 100 by 60 automatically. 60 Longo is 100, and you will be a part of our neighbors. To my friend here, Getirib. Imagine this land here that you see, and it have a toilet, a borehole on the middle there, and one house. You can use as a store as you build maybe your house. Like that woman, she was my mom, but not real mom. So she told me just to look for me the customer, and I'm brand their land, because the first time I brought here a friend from Saudi Arabia, but he was a Kenyan citizen. He was born here. So in terms of price, man, can't imagine. So I'm just over here, guys. Welcome to my brother's land, or welcome to Getiriba's land. Today, oh, my camera is dirty, guys. I don't know why. Wow, I was rubbing maybe, guys, to see me clear. Look at this place. You have stones there, balance stones. Hey, wow. And I see some work going on, guys. Look that view before I reach there. Wow, it's amazing job, man. You know, it's amazing job, man, by itself. Wow. So they got the cow grazing over here, over there, grazing. And I see some people are working here. Maybe today's cleanliness. Today it's cleanness, guys. Hey, welcome to Itiripa's place, guys. Wow. I'm telling you, today's cleanness.
You are looking handsome.
Huh?
Hey.
I'm looking handsome.
Hey, because of the style.
Okay, thank you, bro.
How are you?
I'm good.
Here is the work.
Today, see, you tried to put some cleanness.
Yeah. You are not your trying. You are thoroughly doing business here.
Here.
Yeah.
Before that, guys. Oh. Let me step here. Imagine. So, these are septic. Hey, look how we're being supported inside there. Look. Even go even that way, guys. Look. You see? So this is a septic tank, and maybe according to my idea, if I could be Gitereva, I could build here a house. This is a big room, man. Single room. Whoa. Sasa hizi unapeleka wapi? Hizi si ni cool? Hey. Yes, so we try to remove the timbers here. Like this one, they have some nails. Look. Hey, you must be very careful. Introduce yourself, maybe.
Easy, myself, John. I'm tired though, but not tired so. But yeah.
Yes, today's on Sunday. Don't overworking. Yes. Work a little bit and then you done your own.
Okay, I have a channel there, Musab John. This is my channel name. Just go subscribe. Road me to 1,000 subscribers, and I say thank you. As you can see here, I don't have a shirt because it's too hot.
It's too hot, guys. So that being said, I must wear the lighter shirt. So I like the soft life.
Yes. Okay, as you can see, I'm removing this to the other side there.
Yes. Can I help you to push?
You can, yeah.
Okay, this side. Hold for me a camera.
Okay.
Right, guys, do what Rome is doing. Let's chamber. So tuenda.
Sasa utanifuata.
Utafuata tu. Right. Hapo naonekana.
Unaonekana gani free? Fikiria kabisa.
Watangulia tutukia.
Follow me as there.
Why?
This side.
Which side? Okay.
Yes, here. Fish him hapo. Hapo, yes.
Wow, guys, amazing one. Okay. And maybe this one you collect and then you burn. Utachoma his. Yes, I'm telling them to burn this paper. Guys, don't worry, I will give you a brief tour to that house. Hey, the White House, guys. And our beautiful cow grazing here. The bull one over there. Whew. So today's videos are not longer than as you can. So I shoot short videos because today's on Sunday and I not feel much better to have more energy to shoot videos. Like, guys, what do you think about this dream house? When God bless me, during days that I've come in, I build maybe a store, but sometime it could be a visitor's room. So imagine this is around 1,000 blocks to build a house like this in our village. No problem, guys. So I was telling you that we have a church here, servant today, and the timber will be coming here. So let me show you. I don't want to black things, guys. Imagine this is a church here. So that being said, technically roofing were being started and they were being transported, the timbers from other side passing to Ayamaro's compound, and I think over there it's Congrats that's splitting timbers for the church. This is a church here. We blessed So let me show you guys. You see over there, there's the timber around there, over there for the roofing. Wow. So I'm just passing here to show you what is going on. Me, I'm not the guy who blagging things, saying this 1 2 3. I don't like. So I've already shown you where the timber is going, and we blessed enough, man, to have a church around here, which is a good thing. That's the blessing, man. So today's videos are supposed to be at Githiriba's land. Imagine when you bought a land, you find a sisal like this. This is a sisal. Means that the land reach here going this way. Wow. Right. Mame tora soke. So Kamengo Kongo. So Githiriba is working over there. So technically he was filming the videos. So let me give him some time and then I'll come back. Okay. Oh, imagine you can graze the goat alongside the road. Imagine, guys. Try to imagine by yourself. Imagine like here, the goat is grazing here. Look, seriously. Wow. So, I'm waiting for your answer, guys. Today, that is my outfit, and I'm feeling so better, man. Just over here. Choma. Ambaka moka. So I was communicating about my project. So I've already finished up. So I left them to be dried enough, and then maybe the month of October I'll install some tiles. Serious. So you know, construction is so hard. It's not easy as you can. It's so hard, and it's quite a lot of energy to be working there. Let's get it. Wow. Assalamualaikum dimana. This is Githiriba.
Yes, guys. What's
now
up,
you
guys?
change.
And the Hero Baby family. My name is Githiriba. Guys, today is a beautiful Sunday from Africa, Kenya. Guys, I'm trying to cleaning our compound here with the guy there called Mr.
Mosabi John. Subscribe, guys.
Mosabi John. So actually, guys, even the first time to do this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hero Baby, and don't forget to subscribe to Githiriba YouTube channel. I trying to make a cleaning outside from my home, my new home.
Yeah, guys. White House.
A White House.
Hey.
White store. You know this car. You know this car is my boss Maro. You told me white car is a better.
It's better
because then the white car you have the view. Even you from far, you can see the view. You see? So that's why I suggest to putting white color.
Even me on my toilet, I will paint white.
Oh, all right.
Hey,
Yeah.
haki ya Mungu, walai God.
The white color is you have the view, and even see from the down you have the black.
Hey guys,
Very amazing.
how
And
do you feel nowadays?
But then, bro, I'm feeling fantastic. I feel good. I love appreciating my people.
You are the boss
Yeah, I
of
love
this land
appreciating
here,
our
guys.
People, whenever you're watching this video, I really appreciate my subscribers, my views. Thank you a lot. Through you guys, I am here. Through you, I am trying to clean my compound, and I love appreciate. So, Aerobabe,
Tanga kukitua bene.
Aerobabe, I'm trying to cleaning here. You can show them our people how doing.
Okay guys, sometimes these are balance stones.
Yes, these are barras. That's why I'm not
Wasting.
I'm not. No, it's not wasting. I want to collect together. Then I put in here.
It's like this one here, imagine.
Because
These are still, bro.
yeah, these are still. I want to. Yeah. Actually.
You know this money, bro?
Yeah.
These are still.
You know this one is. You know this.
That's the D8.
Look, the D8.
So almost 1,000.
1,000. D10. 1,000 and something.
Imagine.
So D12.
Almost.
You know the septic. I buying D12 20, D10 10, D8 10. Bro.
Even on my toilet, I put the 16 1. The 10 5. Okay, the 10 10. The 12 10. That's 20. And the 16 on my toilet.
Almost me D12 D12 20 D10 10 D8 10.
You know guys, still bar. Hey, if you don't know, you don't know. Still bar
is very expensive in
yes.
Africa, Kenya.
You can take the whole money and then you'll be we calling
You call me what? Okay, Robin.
Hi. This is how people are working here, guys. By using manpower.
Yes. So, let me take the. It's called what?
Yeah.
The matawi. Then you clean.
Village brooms.
The village boy, guys. You know from village.
These
boy.
brooms.
Yeah, you know from the village, you know everything. Guys. You know how going to shamba. You know how to clean the compound, to cook, washing the plots, do anything, guys. You see?
Imagine. What a woman can do, also man can do.
Also, woman can do.
Also,
Men
woman can do.
Woman can do.
Yes.
Yes. This one is not for woman only.
Belongs to everybody.
Almost.
Do you sleep at your home?
Yeah, I sweep.
What?
Even I know how to cook.
You know how to cook.
Yeah. Guys, and one of these days I'm trying to plan to cook for my mama special food, more delicious. Yeah. So right now your compound is look clean, guys. You can have the views from there. Well, guys, so it's time to leave here, and actually I'm going to work at the fish pond to clean them. So today's on Sunday, and we don't want maybe to overworking, maybe like or of a sudden not working. Today's to rest, you know, like Kitriba's land, so they wanna stop there. So today is Sunday, man. You need to have like brief tour, maybe to somewhere else, like chilling place. But let's finish the work. So that is it. Oh, imagine. Let me see the time that I was coming from the Riviera around. It was 11:20. Right now, it's 11:59. Wow. So I'm catch up with time. Oh, so one of these days I want to put myself under a cool place, maybe to have like special food ever. And also one of these days, and I believe this year couldn't end like crazy, I must to book the aeroplane from my village here up to Nairobi. Wow, that's my first priorities. Imagine, within 45 minutes from my village here, I'll be in Nairobi. And then I walk around and then I'll come back. So I'll go there like 1 to 2 days and then I'll come back, man. Wow. So maybe it was my first time maybe to be in Nairobi when I'll be going there. So I'll make some appointment maybe to my friends. It depends, maybe it's a YouTubers that the car is getting there. It depends whether there is a YouTuber or not yet. I'll look the good friend and then I'll book the aeroplane from here. Imagine that feeling. Hey. Oh. Imagine that feeling, guys. To book an airplane from here. Mr. Gake. Wow, guys. So I'm going to fetch water because Mr. Gake have already cleaned here, and the rest of the part are mine. So I'm going on the other side. So let me fetch water, guys. Wow, because here we organize our duty according to the place. So they have already done his own part, so I'm remaining with my part. And he have already feed the fish, guys. Big shout out to Mr. Gake. Hey, amazing one. Big shout out Mr. Gake. So this is the bucket here. I'm going to fetch water from the borehole and then we start cleaning on my part. Wow. You know, here we just follow the positive vibe, and I know for the haters said, oh, 1, 2, 3. Us guys, we don't care. We don't care. We team positive all the time, you know. Wow. So like for me, man, I'm grinding hard to achieve my goal, to achieve my dream, and people start bring dramas, of which for me I don't care anymore. So I fetch this one. Oh, we have Rian Malaika here. This is Malaika grazing here. Imagine, Malaika Baba. So that's Malaika. Of which we don't care. We just follow the vibe. That is it, you know. So like we're working hard, grinding hard, and I thank God because God bless us a lot. And for those people watching our videos, I want to say thank you a million because you made it possible. You spend your all time sitting down watching my videos, and I want to say thank you a million to you. Big shout out to you because you made it possible, you know. So that being said, YouTube is a game changer. Today you win, tomorrow you lose. That is it. And then if you win, keep grinding hard. If you lose, keep grinding also hard, you know. Nothing come on silver platter. Imagine that there's some water here, and then I spend my time going down. Look, this is water. This, look, it's water. But I realize, I noticed later, there is water here and I spend a lot of time, you know? Wow. These are team positive, man. All the time, all the way. So, let me down with my pots and then we shall see how things they are here. So I'll take this mopper. I think there is a mopper here. This one here, this is a mopper, guys. This one. Let's move on. Okay, we just go for the next on other side, guys. Oh, because of light, I'm struggling. Man. So let me start from the far end, coming this way. Mine is a fish pond, so I want to clean here. You see? I want to clean them here. Serious. Minus jokes. You see, the fish are feeding. The fish. Oh, so here we do like this. Let me start from here. There's Kenya. Imagine. Kenya. I start from here. Or from this angle. From this corner. Look guys, you see how I'm cleaning? I'm cleaning the fish pond, guys. Right now, look. So because I didn't have the camera, man. And here you must be very careful because you might find yourself down. Wow. Amazing one. So that being said, from the far end, when you pump water, when these fish ponds are filled up with water, so the water coming this way. This one is full of water here, rather than that corner. I had the dog making noise. That's Kenya. Kenya baby. How is you, Kenya? Yeah, we're just cleaning this one. Kenya baby. That's Kenya. You know Kenya is very familiar, guys. Yep. Just clean like this way. So I want to find a place where I could place my camera and then maybe you could see what I'm doing. You know, I'm not the guy who faking things. Well, maybe here you could maybe see me working from the far end. Maybe from here. You see me clear, guys. Wow. So I'm cleaning coming that way. Wow. So, aha. Okay. You see, guys, I'm coming. So I'm just walking like this. Wow. Let's move. Maybe I'll place my camera this way or this way, guys. Wow. Maybe here. That's Kenya. Come on. Oh guys, did you see me better? I'm cleaning here. Wow. So just coming closer, guys. You know. Wow. So we make sure that everything is okay and well organized as we move on. You heard the birds? Wow. That is the crutch of the vibe, man. You heard? No. Look. You heard? That is the birds, man. So, guys, I'm cleaning up that way. We shall meet for the next, maybe for the final attaches over there. So, guys, we're supposed to meet for the final place, which is here. You know? So I'm place my camera here. Maybe you could see me better. I'm working there. Hey, that is Kenya. Wow. You see, guys, you see me working here. So this is the final place or final point. Just working over here. You know? Wow. Do you see me? Do you see me, guys? Working here. Like. Wow, guys, so this is the final place working, finishing here, or final. I finish up, guys, so let me rinse my hand and then I could end my video maybe, because today's videos are not too long as we can. So I'm heading this way and then you go down. There is a tap here. I wanna wash my hand, guys. Any place here. Oh guys, so let me wash my hand, guys. Cleanness, it's very, very important. So I'm just washing my hand here. Oh. Guys, I wash my hand. Wow. Okay. And I want to end my videos by saying, guys, thank you a million. Oh, look at this. Oh, oh. Oh, I removed that stuff. So let me wash my hand here. So there is something that you see with your eyes, and then we use common sense automatically. We use common sense. Wow. So I want to end video with you guys, and wow. So I'm supposed to end my videos because of 1, 2, 3. I pause. Alright guys, so I'm back. Okay, I've already finished my daily work, or our activities work, and then today's videos are very special. In case you made these videos, guys, show me some love. You know, like here you have too much of sunny. Wow, there's one of my friends charging their phone outside here. Look here, and the phone, guys. So thank you so much. May God bless you. Let's meet for the next videos, which is tomorrow, but it's a very special. And maybe tomorrow I will work on my site, on my project, by maybe pushing up or arranging the bricks. So when I have like 3 bags of cement, I will start building the highway going to my toilet, which is very idea which that stick on my mind. So, and then when I finish up by constructing a highway, I'll start putting some lights, guys. So thank you so much. Let's meet for the next videos, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye. I love you. Bye, guys.
Love them.